littering rates are still going up. This is the innovation that I made that will help save planet Earth by lowering millions of littering every day. But in order to know why I made this, we first need to go 1 week back where I first got the idea to make it. When I was told to go and throw the garbage while I was playing, I met the garbage bin. So here I got the idea to make this. But to know why littering happens in the first place, we need to look at the human psychology from the help of Dr. Fardsy. It's with a D, by the way. Oh, and let me prepare for the interview. The number one reason is that humans are more attracted to things that require minimal effort. So tell me, if you were to model something in 3D and had a choice between using a keyboard or a mouse, or on the other hand, a VR, which would you choose?
Obviously the VR headset.
I did not ask you, but yes. Similarly, the Smart Dustbin uses that same technique. And the main reason is that it is just annoying to get your hands dirty, but it might be crawling with bacteria, parasites, viruses. But with this invention, people can just stand in front of it and it will open its lid by itself. Thank you for the insight, doctor. And with that, I got soon to work in this 5-second build montage. Here we have the smart trash can. This is still in its prototype stage and still improving, but if you want me to put this way bigger out in the world in action and get people's reaction, then let's hit 30 likes on this video. Sayonara.